What did Grandma get you? What are they? How do you feel about them? What were you hoping for?
Toys.
Are you gonna wear the PJs?
Why not? She worked hard on making those PJs.
Lucas, you're gonna wear PJs.
You're wearing PJs tonight. Maddie, how do you feel about your PJs? Which ones are your favorite? That one?
The one that smells like a dress.
Well, of course. She is who she is.
I love your toy.
You're still on about your toy over here?
You're still on about your toy.
Jared, which PJs are your favorite? On yours. Look at your PJs. Which ones are your favorite?
Not
Grandma, never send out clothes again.
Yeah, that's not what he's gonna be saying when he's 16 and wants to look cool.
That's true. Do you want to put those on?
What are you doing, Maddie? Maddie, take off your socks and shoes and put the PJs on.
There's a cat.
These are cheap.
There's a dog.